Okay, today I'm going to change my switch, or else the bracket holding the switch, as you can see, is just hanging inside. I don't know whether this is because of they didn't connect it properly, or the panel which is holding that is broken, or some other issue. So let's open it and check. So to open this, the first step, you need to pull this down. Okay, so this just pops, but there is some screws underneath. I believe 3 screws are there. We need to remove that. Then let's see how to remove this panel. Okay, so since this is popped, I'll go down and remove these screws. I believe you can use a 7.5 box spanner, or 8, or you can use a billet set. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, there's supposed to be 3, only 2 are connected in mine. Okay, and this panel just comes off, as you can see. So I'll do this behind, and let's see what is the next step. So you see a metal plate, right? So there is one screw here. I believe there should be another one on the, yeah, one over here. And let's see anything. No, the bottom is like a latch. Hope I'm covering that. Let's open this. And the other side. Okay. Yeah. Then you just pull it out. Yeah. This one comes. A lot of dust, so I'm putting it outside. Let me clean that later. Okay, there we go. And here comes the tricky part. So here, this is just some kind of clip over here. So as you can see, this panel is connected over here, right? So oh, this is for switch, or okay, this is the clip. Okay, this is the clip. So I believe you have to reach the clip from behind, and let me see whether I can feel it. No, I don't feel. Okay, I can feel it. So leave your finger inside and squeeze that out. Okay, that's not that easy. Let me take my flathead screwdriver. Sorry about that. Okay, my flathead. So let me put my flathead inside. Try to press it. First, let me feel the area where I need to do. Here is it. Okay. Doesn't seems to be easy, so I have to leave my camera somewhere. Okay, I'll keep it here. Hope you guys can see that. Okay, see, here we go. Yeah. See that clip? Right? you have to squeeze this one. Either you can put a flathead on the top and press it down, or squeeze it with your finger. If you do it in the wrong way, if you press like this, it is not going to come out. You have to squeeze this one and pull it out. Okay, and there should be one other side. Should be somewhere there. Let me figure out. Never done this before. Okay, it's one over here, but it's not that reachable as the other side. So you need to figure out how you can do this. Looks like it's already broken in mine. I think somebody tried to remove this and they couldn't, and they broke it. Okay, yeah, it's already broken in mine. Okay, what else is left out? Okay, that's it. Is there anything holding this? Okay, looks like I need to remove this panel separately. Okay, these things are just pushed inside, just pops out. Okay, even this panel has these kinds of clip, right? But I didn't squeeze or anything. It just came out right away when I pulled it. Pretty easy. Or maybe somebody did it prior to me and it is not fixed properly. Okay, then I see some screws over here, as you can see. One, not there. 2 and 3. I believe that is not required, just to remove the panel. So there should be 4. By the way, there should be 6. I can see one over here. There should be 6, 3 on this side and 3 on other side, but only 3 is connected in mine. Let me take care of that. It's cold out here, so I kept my engine on so I can get some hot cabin air. You may hear the engine noise going. Oops, I dropped it. Okay, let me get that later. Okay, the panel is up. Would this come out? No. Okay, the panel is out. So one thing holding me not to remove the panel is the switch itself. So the switch here doesn't allow it to go inside, right? So to remove that switch, there should be a pin on the switch itself. Okay, so let me feel that. By the way, I can show you on the piece I grabbed from junkyard. Yay, my center locking system works. Lot of plastic panels to be connected. Here is it. Okay, this is the piece I grabbed from junkyard. This is how it's supposed to be connected. As you can see here, doesn't shake. This is still in place, and this is the switch. Okay, so on your right hand of your switch, right hand side of your switch, you see this pin? Yeah, over there. So you have to press that switch, okay, that pin, and pull the knob outside. I have no way to hold my camera, but I'm trying. Okay, try to turn and pull it out. Okay, I have to leave my camera somewhere to show you this. Okay, still resting on my arm, right? I'm pressing that switch, the knob, with one of my finger, and I can pull this out. In the same way, press the knob, put it inside, and turn it. See, that's all. That's simple. Okay, just you need to know the mechanism how to do that. Let's go now, do the same way here, and see whether we can remove that knob. So it should be on the right hand side. Yeah, I can feel it. I don't know whether you'll be able to see it, but I can try to show you. Yeah, that is the knob. All right, I did feel it somewhere. Where is it? Okay. Yes, it's over here. I can feel it. Yeah, I can feel that. Okay, I'll leave the camera over here. Let's try to take the switch off now. I think you have to go completely to one side. Yeah, yay! Yes, it's out. That's good. And my panel is out. Okay. Good. So this is what's going on. It's broken. You can see this. It's completely broken. So what I suspected was right. This plastic piece is broken. That's what I grabbed from the junkyard. So I'm going to use that one. I'm going to replace this complete panel. So how many screws? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 over here. Doing nothing on the top. Sorry about the camera angle. 5, 6. Okay. Looks like I have to pull the speedometer, or whatever they call this one. I believe it is called as instrument cluster. You have to pull this out. For some reason my airbag lights are there. That was not there previously. Okay, let me Google it. What is that? Or maybe because of my was touching the wiring while the engine is on. Let me put off my engine, because when I pull the switch out, it starts beeping. Whoa, what was that? Hope my hairbag doesn't pop out. One over there. Okay, I'm looking at the one I took from the junkyard. What should be holding this? So I did remove all these, right? So I did remove all these, and I removed these two, which is holding the instrument cluster. And the only thing I see is, yeah, for the main piece itself there is 3 screws, but which is behind the instrument cluster, right? So how does the instrument cluster comes out? So only these 2 screws looks like it's holding the instrument cluster. That would be stupid if they had connected anything to this, because there is no way to reach it. So I believe there should be some clips on these 2 holes, you see. So I'm trying to reach there and see whether that is the one holding us to remove this. Maybe it's like just a simple twist and pull, something like that. Oh yeah. Okay, so it was just the instrument cluster, the connection, the wire connection itself. Okay, so since that is out, I can show you what next. So that is the instrument cluster, and you have 3 screws, 1, 2 and 3 Phillips head to be removed. Okay, so then this thing completely should come out. Okay, I'll put it there. So most of the Phillips heads are the same size, so I keep size wise. Okay, all 3 are out. Now it should be good to come. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay, there is a trick to open this wiring. So you have to press this inside and push it to the top. There. Push this part inside and push it to the top, and it just comes out. That's the way you remove that one. So completely everything is out. I did reconnect my knob because it was making huge noise. Okay, now I can show you the knob actually. Try to raise this up. Okay, same at the bottom side I'm doing. Okay, both are out of the clip. Now let me gently wiggle and pull this out. Okay, there we go. Okay, great. Okay, this piece is out. Yeah. Okay. Now I hope this should work. place before I do the connection. So in case it works, I don't need to again take it out. Okay, and the wire goes in the same way. Let me put some grease for the ground, which I missed over here on this corner. Okay. Okay, yeah, I got that, but it still didn't snap now. Yeah, it did snap now. Yeah. Okay, bottom side still it didn't make a click. I think it's pretty tight. Let me connect the ground and test it. Do I need my instrument cluster to start the car? I have no idea, but I can give it a try. Hoping one thing doesn't happen, that my airbag doesn't blow on me. Okay, the switch is connected. Okay, let me put the key and see. Okay, the blower works, no noise. It starts. Let's go and check the lights are working. There we go, the lights are working. Good. Move it over here and see whether the lights turns on. Okay, it does. That means that is also working. Okay, so I need to fix this one. That is a different day project. Okay, I don't know whether you can see that because this light is blown out. So you see the boot light is on. That should go off when you turn this all the way to either one of the side. I believe this way. No, because my doors are open, my boots are open. See this? This is the light I'm talking about. So, two things, and you can press this switch to test it out whether it goes off. Yeah, it goes off. And this light, this is also a door light. So you see this? When I release this switch, it glows. When I press the switch, it goes off. See that? So that comes in two ways. You can always keep it on by just rotating this. See this knob? If you rotate it to the left side, this is always on. When I got this car, I didn't know that, and I was pretty confused why my door lights are always on. Maybe one of the door switch broke or something like that. It's just the switch. Rotate it all the way to your right, it will be turned off, and it will work only when your door is open. See this? When I release this, that means my door is open and the light glows. but still my door is closed. If you want this light to be turned on, rotate it to your left. Okay, so everything works. Let me turn off and connect everything back the way I removed it. Okay, pretty happy now. Everything went very well and everything is in place. Or I have a lengthier one. I don't want to put that because okay, this one was not that hard to open. If it doesn't, okay, it holds luckily. Okay, that's it. So since that is done, let's go and put this panel back. Okay, already wiped the inside of the panel. To clean this thing, okay, so need to decide where my Bluetooth goes. Okay, something is not in place. Which one? Okay, that one is in place. Yeah, okay, here it fitted. Okay, yeah, okay. In my friend's Jeep, actually, there was only two. He didn't have a fog light, I think, but his his version is sports. I thought the sports is the one supposed to have the fog. I don't know which one he was missing. Probably this one. Mine is classic. I wonder the classic had this one. I believe I don't have a fog. Is that a fog? Yeah, the symbol looks like it's a fog light. I thought I didn't have a fog light. Maybe they changed. Yeah, I don't have a fog light. But I have a fog light switch. Okay, that means it's an option for me to add a fog light. I don't know, the wirings are default. Okay, things work. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I believe I covered it in detail, how to remove this panel and fix anything behind your instrument cluster. So yeah, in my case the switch was hanging, so I replaced it. Yeah, I know two things are missing, which is that I need to connect this part. That one is pretty easy. The reason I didn't connect it is this thing is rusted. Outside is good, but this place is rusted. Probably I'll give a coat of black spray and then I will fix it back. Yeah, hope I'll not cover that in the video because it's pretty easy nowadays. You have can sprays. Yeah, just wipe it out, do a spray, one coat of spray and fix it back there. Okay, again, thanks for watching. keep watching my videos and subscribe my channel and give a like if you like what I did. Thank you.